Today we're making OTK barbecue sauce.
That's right.
Wow. Look at that, homemade barbecue sauce.
In a matter of minutes.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to Cooking with OTK.
This is an awesome barbecue sauce. We've worked on a lot of different barbecue sauce recipes, but this one we found is simple. It's full of flavor, has a little bit of heat, but not too much, and can be made in no time. And it's 1,000 times better than anything you buy at the store.
Absolutely.
So, and it's really simple. And today we're going to be doing it in our Instant Pot.
Ooh.
Normally we would just do it in a saucepan. You can do that. But, you know, what if
doing it?
Yeah. What if you ran out of gas and all you had was this? What if you're in your RV and you don't want to pull out all the mess?
Yep.
And of course, after making this sauce in this pot, you can easily take out and then start making some like barbecue ribs or anything of that. So it's Instant Pot is a very versatile and usable thing. So
it absolutely is.
We're gonna get started with that really fast, and it's really simple.
Alrighty, let's get going.
First things first, in our Instant Pot, we're gonna turn on our saute function and let the pan start getting warm.
Although you probably shouldn't stick your hand in it.
Well, people say that, and it's yelling at me. So we got our Instant Pot on the saute section. So first thing, this is a dump and kind of go. We've got a really good tomato sauce. You find that Hunt's is pretty good. It's non-GMO. If you'd like to open that.
Definitely.
And then also, again, Hunt's tomato paste, 6-ounce can, and we're doing a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Get those opened up, and I'll go grab a little spatula. Let's not put the metal in.
Yeah.
Gonna dump that in our pot. And see, this recipe is so simple because it's basically just dumping everything in and then warming it up, letting it simmer for a minute to thicken up, and then it's done. Thank you, sir. Dark tomato paste.
Yeah. Rinse my finger off.
All right, now we got that added in there. You know, you can use the tomato paste that comes in the tube, and I like that tomato paste. It's really good and flavorful, but it comes in like 4 1/4 ounces. And this recipe, when developing it, we wanted 6 ounces. We don't want you to have to buy 2 tubes.
And only use half of the second one.
Yeah, that's just silliness.
So,
let me get rid of it.
Yeah, get you a little cleaned up.
Tomato paste is dirty. Well, we got our favorite hot sauce. It's a Crystal hot sauce. You could substitute this with Louisiana, but Crystal's is a little bit sweeter.
It is.
Has a really nice heat. We have a really good buffalo sauce recipe using this.
That buffalo sauce is awesome.
Well, yeah, you can check it out at our website. And this barbecue sauce is on our website at outdoortestkitchen.org.
Along with many, many other great recipes.
So to this, we're going to be adding a 3rd cup. Yes, I'm eyeballing it because it's pretty much everything that's left in this bottle.
Yep. And then we've got maple syrup.
Yes, a really good maple syrup.
We're doing a 1/4 cup.
Simple 1/4 cup of that. That's perfect.
Wow, look at that. Just the right amount, man.
Yes. All right, starting to bubble in the pot. So we're going to give it a nice little stir so we don't burn our tomato paste. Starting to smell good.
Yes, it is. Then we've got
1/2 cup of
the brown sugar.
Yes, a light brown sugar. I think the dark brown sugar is a little too molassesy for this recipe, so we do recommend a light brown sugar. So we're just doing a 1/2 cup of that. Give it a nice little stir, get that incorporated. You really want to get that tomato paste all broken up. Awesome.
Make sure you have a cohesive sauce.
Yeah. Next is
Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
How much Worcestershire?
We're gonna do 2 tablespoons.
All right. 1, 2. I'm gonna give that a nice little stir. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and yes, use smoked paprika. If you use regular Hungarian or just sweet paprika, it won't have the same smokiness.
Pretty much a completely different flavor.
2 teaspoons, right?
Correct. 2 teaspoons. We got some awesome Coleman's mustard.
Oh yes, and don't just get regular dried mustard. Really get Coleman's brand. That makes a huge difference.
It does. It makes a very, very big difference. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
All right, we got our garlic powder in there.
On the next ingredient, you can find that on our website as well at outdoortestkitchen.org.
That's right, that is our Black Magic seasoning. One of our favorites. It's a blackening seasoning, but you can use it in so many other things.
That's right. And we're doing 1 teaspoon.
That's kind of the secret.
Uh-huh.
So if you make this sauce, you'll also learn how to make this. And which you can find a video on making that. It'll be linked here or there.
Anywhere. It'll be somewhere around here. Then we just have a half teaspoon of salt and pepper.
And we're using a smoked salt, kind of give that little barbecue flavor. And look, it's almost already coming together.
It's almost done.
That's what's so easy about this. You can throw it together just as fast as going to the store and buying a bottle.
It's true, you really can.
That's plain and simple.
Pretty much, that's...
Could you get any easier than that?
I don't think so.
Although, we're gonna pull it out because I think it's done, because it's spitting back at us.
We're gonna make sure we shut this bad boy off too.
There we go. You don't want to constantly stir it or it will spit at you and say, I'm ready. Get me out of this pot. It's hot.
Look at that, man.
All right, that is wonderful. Let's grab a spoon to give it a little taste.
Definitely.
Go ahead and pour this out. See, ooh.
Wow. Look at that homemade barbecue sauce.
In a matter of minutes. Yeah, that's still delicious. Every time.
It's nice and thick barbecue sauce.
Yeah. It's nice, a little sweet tomato barbecue sauce. I know it's not a Carolina barbecue sauce. It's more of in the KC style.
That is super good.
But yeah, guys, there you go. Simple, fast, easy barbecue sauce for your next time you barbecue.
Once you try that, you really are not gonna buy any more barbecue sauce at Walmart or whatever store you go to.
No, you're not. And with a few simple ingredients that you usually have around anyway, boom, it's this fast.
It is. It's insanely fast and definitely worth it.
Yes, it is. So, remember, you can find this and many other recipes at our website, outdoortestkitchen.org. And also remember to like, subscribe, share, the little bell, all that good stuff.
Yeah, just let us know.
Yeah, give this stuff a try, leave a comment, let us know what you think. If there's anything you want us to work on, let us know. But until next time, remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah. It's true, you really can. I mean,
and it will taste.
Howie.
Sorry.
I splashed it on myself.
Well, it is hot.